first graders, the last few weeks we have been talking about opinion writing. Opinion writing tells others what you think or tries to convince others to agree with you by giving them reasons and details to support your opinion. So each paragraph for our opinion writing needs to have a topic sentence. That's the sentence that introduces your opinion. Then you need to have detail sentences. This year we are going to do 2 detail sentences. That's where you're going to tell me your reasons for your opinion. Then you need to have a conclusion. If you have those 3 things, then you have a complete paragraph. So today we are going to start the process of brainstorming. When you brainstorm, you come up with ideas that you possibly want to put into your writing. So the topic that we're going to be spending some time on today and tomorrow is the best fruit to eat or your favorite fruit. So remember, you're trying to convince somebody that the fruit that you have chosen is the best fruit. So you want to have reasons that make them feel like maybe they should try that fruit. So first of all, we're going to look at some fruits. All right, first we have a banana. Do you like bananas? Why do you like bananas, or why do you not like bananas? What about strawberries? Do you like strawberries? Why or why not? How about oranges? Do you like oranges? Why or why not? Try to think of what you want to write about. It can be one of the fruits that we talk about, or it can be a different one. How about cherries? Do you like cherries? Why do you like cherries, or why do you not like cherries? Pineapples. Do you like pineapples? If you like pineapples, come up with a reason for liking pineapples. How about lemons? Do you like lemons? Let's look at some more ideas. How about grapes? Do you like grapes? Maybe you like just one type of grape. Maybe you like red grapes or green grapes. If you don't like them, why do you not like them? How about pears? Do you like pears? Here's another one that has lots of different types. Apples. Do you like apples? If you do, what kind of apples or why do you like apples? How about watermelon? Blueberries or kiwi fruits? So we just looked at a lot of ideas. These are not all of the fruits, but they are some of them. We talked about bananas, strawberries, oranges, cherries, pineapples, lemons, grapes, pears, apples, watermelon, blueberries, and kiwi. So in your paper packet, you should have a paper that looks like this. This is called a circle map. When we are working with a circle map, we are brainstorming ideas or writing stuff down that we are feeling. So first thing I want you to do is pick a fruit. So it can be a fruit off of one of these 2 lists, or if you have another fruit in mind, you can choose that one too. Okay, then in this circle right here that says fruit, I want you to write the name of your favorite fruit. I'm going to go with orange. Now that's kind of a small space, so it might not fit in there, and that's okay. You choose what one you want to write. Okay, now you need to write details. So the first question is, what is the best fruit? And we already talked about what your favorite fruit is. That's what you put in the center right here. Okay, that's your favorite fruit or the best fruit. Then we need to answer the second question, which says, why do you like it? Okay, a reason that I like oranges is because they have citrus. So I'm gonna write, okay. I also like the color orange, and that's what color oranges are. Then I also like that they are sweet. Now, I want you to come up with at least 3 reasons why you like the fruit that you chose. Okay? So if you chose, for example, strawberries, then in here you would want to write strawberries. And remember that it's okay if it doesn't fit because it's a very small circle. Then you might want to say why. Maybe you like strawberries because they are red. Maybe you like shortcake with strawberries on them. Maybe your favorite soda is strawberry flavored. Maybe you like that they are sweet. Maybe you think that they're cute. These are your opinions, so you get to choose. So as you can see, for strawberries, I have put many different details. I put that they're red, that they're sweet, that I have a soda that is strawberry. I think that they're cute because they're small, and I like strawberry shortcakes. That's all you need to do for today is come up with the details. Now, tomorrow we'll be filling in a graphic organizer, so you'll be coming up with actual sentences for these details. So instead of just saying red, you'll say, the reason I think strawberries are the best is because I love the color red, or because I think that they're cute, or they're sweet. We'll come up with some sentences tomorrow. So fill in your circle map so that you can have ideas ready for tomorrow's writing project. Come back tomorrow for more. Bye.